Assalamu-Alaikum everyone. This is Naz with Hijabs and You with another quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to use a rectangular shawl today, and I'm going to show you a few different options very quickly, very easy, how we can wrap our scarf looking like this with a few other options, quick and easy, and using a rectangular shawl. So, hope you're doing okay. Stay with me. We're going to get into this tutorial right. This is a very common scarf. A whole lot of my sisters, they have these scarves. So that's why I use them very often for my tutorial. Because it gives you comfort. Because then you know I have that. I can use it and I can do that, do that style. So see how quick and easy this is. This is very, very comforting for all you, school goers and university goers. It's very sweet, very quick and easy. It's just a simple wrap. What I've done is I folded in a little bit just to give it a nice clean look in the front, and I've got my ninja on. You can do it with a cap, or just if you don't want to, you can just, it's a very thin scarf, so you need to put an under cap. So here we go. Just gonna put it in. I've got a bit of a shorter side and a longer side, and I'm going to just pull it like that, fold it in a tiny bit, and just give it, I'm going to put a safety pin here today, and I'm going to use one of these. So we're just going to put a safety pin here, and then you've got a shorter side. It's such a beautiful scarf, and all we're going to do, I'm going to put my hand here to give it some room, and I'm going to bring it across. Now the first look is like this. Simple and easy, very quick, very easy. One safety pin and a wrap. Simple, simple and easy. Very quick, very easy. What do you think, my dear viewers? And now I'm going to show you the other option. Same way. I'm going to bring it around. And with that little fold, just keeping the little fold there, just going to bring it here. And I'm just going to pin it up here with a stick pin. And I'm going to bring it and have it fall like that. We're having full coverage, but just a bit of a different look. There, my viewers. We've got one sitting here, the other one sitting here, a wrap across, and very nicely, very modern, very easy, and quick and easy. What do you think? What do you think? Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And now this one here, you can also leave it in the back and just have this here, the shorter side. If we want coverage, bring that over so we have coverage in the front, nice and easy, and we can have that fall in the back. Quick and easy. What do you think? Absolutely gorgeous, don't you think? It's beautiful, it's quick, it's easy, and it's just a simple wrap with one safety pin. And this one here, because I want it hanging in the back, I put a stick pin here. Beautiful, isn't it? It's nice, we've got coverage. What do you think? Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. And now I'm going to show you another way. So we're going to take that stick pin off of there. And my dear viewers, what we've done is brought it across the whole way to the other side again and give it a nice fall, and there you go. And that's the final look. Absolutely beautiful, really pretty, simple and easy. And there you go, my viewers. Absolutely gorgeous. What do you think? Do you like that? I love it, I love it, I love it. And it's simple and easy, and it's just so gorgeous and so beautiful and so quick and easy. Well, my dear viewers, I hope you enjoy that. I hope you like it. I hope you're going to try it. It's so simple and so easy, and it's so beautiful and so elegant and so quick. So please do try it. My dear viewers, if you like what you saw, hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. It's important to share it, my dear. If you share it and some one of our sisters get the, the desire to put this hijab on, or they get assistance or comfort wearing the hijab, you would have done yourself a really, really good thing for this life and for the akhirah. And that would also include all of us that are on this platform, inshallah. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do hit the subscribe button. Please leave me a comment in the bottom. I really do appreciate it. And also check out all my other videos. You see at the link on the top. Please do check out those videos. There's something for every one of you on this platform. And hit the bell button. Click off the all so you won't miss any of my uploads. Until we meet again, please, my viewers, do stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of your family, check in on your neighbors. We are very good people, so please, we have to do our bit. So do check in on the people around you and do stay safe, please. COVID-19 is very much still around, so we need to do our bit in staying safe. Inshallah, we make our du'as that Allah protect us all and keep us all from any kind of calamities. Ameen, ameen, summa ameen. Until we meet again, this is Naz saying Assalamu Alaikum.